Welcome to The Explainer. We're unpacking how one creator used AI to make over 15 grand in just 30 days.
Yep, exactly $15,114 just by selling simple, AI-generated digital guides. Crazy, right?
So how exactly does a basic little PDF generate that much cash so incredibly fast? Well, here's the exact 4-step blueprint, starting right off with finding a highly emotional niche. Step 1. The real secret? Don't sell generic info. You've got to tap into deep human emotion to drive sales.
They went with the parenting niche. Why? Because sleep-deprived parents face intense, highly emotional struggles every single day.
Generic searches are totally boring, but targeting a painful problem like a choppy sleeper, that drives instant sales.
To hunt down this exact pain point, they used PDF Trend Lab to scan real-time search data for current problems. Step 2. Instead of brainstorming for hours, they just let Claude AI step in and do the heavy lifting.
They tossed the raw search data right into Claude with this exact prompt to whip up a punchy title.
And Claude absolutely nailed it, refining this highly relatable, super emotional title for their new digital guide.
Next, they used one more simple prompt to have Claude write the entire step-by-step content for the whole thing.
Step 3. With the text fully generated, it was time to build a killer digital storefront to actually sell it.
They brought the product to life using a super simple 3-part tech stack: Canva, Unsplash, and Shopify.
Why Shopify? Well, it allowed for complete customization to perfectly control the buyer's emotional journey.
Step 4. For marketing, they completely bypassed traditional ads and went straight to negotiating with YouTube influencers.
They picked YouTube because, unlike other platforms, good videos there keep racking up consistent views for months. To negotiate, they offered a flat fee or a commission, which cleverly prompted a favorable hybrid counteroffer.
Radical transparency here. The final deal was $700 upfront plus a 15% recurring commission.
That investment triggered a massive algorithm spike on day 14, ultimately securing that 15 grand revenue goal.
So, looking at this proven blueprint, what emotional problem could you solve with AI right now?